Wow, a beautiful and a calm evening. It is a pleasant evening. Can you see some trees? This is with a flower. The flowers are bright and beautiful. This is a mango tree. The blue sky and the greenish leaves and branches of the tree is a very calm and a pleasant evening. From this video, you got a very nice view. After the rain, this is how the trees looks like. A bright flowers, right? The nature is always calm and pleasant. After a rain, it will be calm. From this video, you got a view. Tell about this view in the comment section. Bye and thank you everyone.